Regular expression to return text between parentheses. All I need is the contents inside the parenthesis.
If your problem is really just this simple, you don't need regex.
Use read.search or apostrophe backslash dot question mark backslash s dot group 1. If you want to find all occurrences, building on Kerwin's answer, if you happen to have nested parentheses like in, his answer will not work if you need to take everything between the first opening parenthesis and the last closing parenthesis to get A plus B, C plus D, because find searches from the left of the string, and would stop at the first closing parenthesis. To fix that, you need to use refined for the second part of the operation, so it would become